Time for a couple of questions. Surely people have some questions. Center for Dialogue, remember? Yes.
So this seemed very similar to me to the Google Wave presentation of some months ago. How would you say Blue Spruce and Google Wave compare?
Other than that we were there first, Google Wave actually is very focused on documents. It's very document-centric. We're not very document-centric at all. We're actually more platform agnostic. Okay, and we'll create the ability to basically look at a web page. And in essence, their concept of a document in Google Wave is a web page, albeit you don't know it. But they also import documents and share that way also. So I'd say that pretty much if you look under the covers of Blue Spruce, okay, you're going to find basically a lot of those same pieces. We have an XMPP server. You can federate that server. Okay, the piece that I'm waiting to look from there, from the Google side, is how are they actually the security in the federation side? Okay, how do you basically add users? And from also the other side of it is we know if you just drop audio and video, we scale dramatically because all we're doing is we're sending a couple hundred bytes per user of all the changes that actually go through. So the technologies are actually pretty alike. As I said earlier, there's also the piece with eJabber, which is now using XMPP. So there's a lot of work going on in XMPP around the world. The question is long term, is everyone going to go to a more general platform or very focused document centric? The world in general is very doc centric. So.
I noticed that your image there is showing you in reverse. That is, your left hand is your right hand. Is that something to do with your application or your notebook? Or
my left hand is, well, it's showing left on mine. Oh, it's showing left up there too. I'm not sure I understand.
Well, when you lift your left hand, it shows your right hand up there.
Ah,
up there.
Not to me it doesn't. You're seeing, well, no. I might be crazy. In any case, there actually is a problem. We switch left and right all the time. Because if you're actually transmitting it, okay, you really want the left hand to go on the transmission side. If I'm looking at it on my side, it can also be flipped the other way, depending on how the camera, because the camera's looking at you. Okay, so we actually flip it locally, if that's your question. Okay.
Okay, well, thank you very much. We now move to the technical sessions. We have one more speaker this afternoon, which is Ken Greenberg, the architect and urban planner. So I hope to see you back in here just before 2 o'clock, and then we'll wrap up the conference at the end of the day. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Dan.